This is the third take on me filming this video. Is to say, this take better be the last take, and this video better come out good, otherwise I'm just gonna let this die, and I don't want to do that. So this video better turn out the way I want it to this time. Hello fellow cosplayers, and welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, first of all, I'm sorry that I'm 2 days late. I tried to film this video on Sunday, and there were some technical difficulties with the audio. Got that figured out. Then I tried to film it yesterday. There were some difficulties with the mount on the light, but I got that all figured out. And also, I didn't really like the concept of how second look of this turned out. So this is take 3 on this video, and fingers crossed that this turns out good. Because I want it to turn out good, because I want to post this video. And also, sorry I missed Friday's upload last week. I just had a lot going along in my life that I couldn't do it. But needless to say, I'm back this week. So, anyways, in today's video, we will be continuing with the Zodiac sign series, which, by the way, thank you guys so much for your support on the last 2 videos in this series. But we will be continuing because we are, unfortunately, at the end of the Aries season. And I know I'm not an Aries, so I kind of might be being a little bit too dramatic, but I just like the color schemes in an Aries look. I just like the reds and oranges, all that kind of stuff. Even though I'm not one, I still like it. But yeah, so this has been one of the most exciting videos that I've been waiting to do for the entire series, and now I'm just so excited to be filming this for you guys. Before I get into this video, be sure to subscribe as well as hit the notification bell, because I upload 2 videos a week, but sometimes things come up where I can't, but I try, but usually it's 2 videos a week on this channel. But yeah, I do everything from cosplay, makeup, body painting, beauty makeup, special effects, as well as that I like to dabble in to the paranormal and tell some really creepy stories. And also I do have a vlog channel called Winter's Vlogs. I'm trying to get back on there and posting consistently. I think I might do a weekly vlog on there, but this is where all the good stuff happens, if you get what I mean. You can also find me on my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All those links will be listed in the description below, as well as all the products used will be listed in the description below. And enough with the chit chat, let's get into the tutorial. I am starting out with my tube top already on and disassembling my jewelry, because that'll get in the way. And I already have my foundation applied, as well as my brows terribly filled in. Yeah. I am then taking the shade Wad Noise from the Morphe Jeffree Star palette and applying that on my eyelids. This was this was the worst method to use for this look, but for those of you guys who are out there, I applied it a little bit more in the crease. It looked kind of similar, but not really, because I want it to give a little base of eyeshadow for the eye, but I don't want there to be like that much because I'm going to be painting flames on it, but also take my stuff from the grain of salt because I'm not a professional makeup artist. So, but yeah, this is just from trial and error is what I'm trying to say. I am then taking the brown from my flash palette and I'm using that to sketch in the flames. I am then taking my Mayron Paradise paint in orange and I am using that to sketch in the little spots in the flames. I am then taking my MAC Chroma Cake in basic red and I'll be using that as a second color for the spots in the flames as compared to the orange, as well as I'm using that to start outlining. I'm then taking my Vegan Beauty Tattoo eyeliner and I am using that to outline the flames even more. I am then taking the gold shade from my flash palette and I'll be using that to highlight the flames. I am then taking the orange red shade from the Morphe James Charles palette and I'll be using that to contour my face, neck, and décolletage. I am then taking the orange shade from the Morphe James Charles palette and I'll be using that to add in some contrast into the contour. I am then taking the mahogany shade from the Morphe James Charles palette and I'll be using that to carve out my cheekbones even more. I am then taking the gold shade from my MAC It's Designer palette and I'll be using that to highlight my face, neck, and chest so I can shine like gold. I am then taking my MAC Chroma Cake in basic red and I'll be using that to draw on the iconic Aries sign. I am then taking the brown shade from my flash palette again and I'll be using that to shade in the sign. Time to outline this baby. I am then taking my Mayron Paradise paint in white and using that to highlight. I am finishing off by applying MAC Red Liquid Lipstick and Feel So Grand. And that completes my video for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Honestly, I really like this look, but I do not want to do this again, considering how much I went to do this look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up before you go. It's just the free way you can help the channel out. Like this video if you are an Aries, and comment below if you are an Aries or what your zodiac sign is, as well as any other video ideas or makeup ideas that you would like to see from me in the future, so I can make sure you guys have a say in what I do. And if you want to recreate any of my looks, be sure to tag me in your pictures at Cosplay FX, just so I can see all of your recreations. And yeah, until next time, bye!